Hello everyone, now welcome back once again. Hope you had done your previous work. So now today I am going to start chapter number 14, adverbs. So now today we have to complete the book work. So open page number 47. Underline the when adverbs in these sentences. So early, soon, late, tomorrow, tonight, now, yesterday, today, they tell us when the action happens. When the action happens. They describe when the action have taken place. So underline the when adverbs in these sentences. An adverb of time tell us about the time when an action or event takes place. It answers the question when. So, I am going to start. She woke up early. She woke up but early. So, early describes or tells us when the action happens. He will call soon. He will call soon. So, soon is an adverb of time. When he will call? He will call soon. They will come late. When they will come? They will come late. So, late is an adverb of time. The school is closed tomorrow. The school is closed tomorrow. So, the tomorrow is an adverb of time. Ria will return tonight. Ria will return tonight. So, tonight is an adverb of time. Maya gets up early. Maya uthti hai but early. Early it means jaldi. The baby is crying now. Baby is crying now. It rained yesterday. It rained yesterday. So, yesterday is telling us the time. It is sunny today. It is sunny today. So, today we met him yesterday. We met him yesterday. Okay. Now, next is filling the blanks with adverb of manners using the adjectives given in the bracket. She planned her trip to Sydney. She planned her trip to Sydney very carefully. In adverbs of manner, mostly we use ly in the end of the word. The peacock danced beautifully. The teacher scolded the students angrily. The nightingale sang sweetly. They danced the cha-cha-cha gracefully. Tom painted the kitchen very badly. Bad, so bad and ly. add ly, that is badly. The thief entered in the house quietly. This dog looked at the piece of bread greedily. Next is filling the blanks with suitable adverb of place. It means where adverb. The ladies went out to see the moon. Went out. Out is an adverb of place. Now next is I am going to tidy my room. I am going to tidy my room. Upstairs. God is everywhere. Goldilocks went to the bear's house nearly. Throw this dirty bag outside. Throw this dirty bag outside. Two boys are sitting inside the class. Two boys are sitting inside the class. The girls are playing near the swing. The girls are playing near the swing. Next is filling the blanks with suitable adverb of time. It means when. Vinesh is now the first one to reach the school. Second is dash speak the truth. Now speak the truth. We shall finish this project today or tomorrow. She is waiting for her brother. He got up early in the morning. I will go to see him just now. I hope he can play with us today. I hope he can play with us today. We went to the picnic today or tomorrow. We went to the picnic today. We went to the picnic yesterday. Pick the correct adverbs given in the brackets. Mohan opened the gift far or excitedly. Mohan opened the gift far or excitedly. So the answer is excitedly. We ran sadly or we ran fast to catch the train. We ran fast to catch the train. I could not hear his voice behind or clearly. So the answer is clearly. You have to meet me angrily or tomorrow. So you have to meet me tomorrow. The dog barked sweetly or loudly. The dog barked loudly. Nisha sang sweetly or never. Nisha sang sweetly. On holidays, I get up late. On holidays, I get up late. We were waiting for them eagerly or loudly. Eagerly. I will meet you curiously or soon. So, I will meet you soon. Please read the story carefully or carelessly. So, carefully. Is that okay? This is adverb of time, adverb of manner or how. This is adverb of time and these are adverbs. So today, now that's all for today. Now next chapter is simple present tense. Every concept is very important in English grammar. So you have to listen to me very carefully and you should be and now get ready for my new topic. अब आपको मेरे नए कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए रेडी रहना है. So now take care, goodbye, we will meet you very soon.